So we're all very tired. Woke up very early because we're trying to go to this beautiful place. Apparently it's called Nasi Peninda, and when you are in Bali, do check it out. Look at the view behind me. We're about to get on the boats and start our journey. It's just that day started at 5 a.m. in the morning, so I'll keep you posted. Sad for waking up so early in the morning. Annie, you look like the Terminator.
Thank you.
Guys, we're very excited. We're going to Nusa Peninda. I'm taking the family with me. Some of them are happy, one of them is not. I don't know what's going on, but not my problem.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on those boats and we're gonna rock it today. Okay. Well, we're gonna go on those boats and rock it today. Hey family, so these are the boats that take you all the way up to the island. They go up very fast. It's almost like pulling 2 to 3 Gs in there. Just have a bag handy in case of accidents. Beautiful water, beautiful people, beautiful view. We booked a trip where we had snorkeling included with the island tour as well. I would not recommend that because it did not take you down to the beaches, but you could see the beaches, but you were definitely snorkeling. I would say book 2 trips. As people just jumped it in, we thought something happened. Actually, this is the place to start diving and vomiting. Both my kids lost their breakfast that morning. Run. Guys, make sure you take a good camera, but even if you don't, the people who do this tour, they do great pictures of you, so won't miss a moment. Now the second part of the trip, this is what I say that I wouldn't recommend doing snorkeling and the island together because we didn't get much time over here. You can see the views where we are, and it was a shame not being able to go down to that beach. So don't do that. Make sure you book it separately because this looks amazing. And we couldn't even touch it. Okay. This here is an infinity pool. It's like nature, it's a nature's way of an infinity pool. If you fall down from the edge, you will not be found. That's the ocean. So be very careful, but definitely go down to the edge. Though they will stop you. Folks, I need your help. If you like the video, could you just give me a like? Let that algorithm kick me into a high drive. I really appreciate it. I need your like, I need your subscribe.